Do you have prominent veins and tendons on the backs of your hands? If so, Voluma can help. Voluma is a fast, safe, and easy treatment to restore volume loss that happens over time. The active ingredient in Voluma is a sugar called hyaluronic acid that draws water into your skin, providing a natural and youthful appearance. Voluma is an easy treatment that takes just a few minutes. The best part is that you'll see your results right away and you'll enjoy your results for a year or longer. Are you ready to rejuvenate your hands? Contact us to schedule a consultation with Dr. Alex.